Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When my brother and I were young, our mother was making easy meals so we could quickly go back playing outside. Yeah, that's what kids should do. Anyway, a famous Québécois finger food that she served us often was Guédilles aux Oeufs, which translates to egg hot dog rolls. It's a tasty egg mixture spooned into toasted buns. They're delicious and also satisfying. A great and easy meal to have. So let's get cooking. In a large bowl, we'll combine mayonnaise, which is quite easy to make from scratch. So to see how, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Some Miracle Whip. Don't roll your eyes and find out why I use it by visiting the blog. And then Dijon mustard. We'll give a quick stir before adding hard-boiled eggs, diced celery, as well as diced tomatoes, followed by cooked bacon and green onions, before seasoning with ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll gently stir the ingredients until nicely blended, and of course, taste and adjust if necessary. But keep in mind that we'll sprinkle on some smoked paprika before serving, okay? Then, if using it right away, we'll set aside. Otherwise, we'll cover and chill until ready to serve. Next, these are New England-style hot dog buns. We don't have them here on the West Coast, but my mother, who lives in Quebec, is my supplier. If you can find them, simply use regular hot dog buns or even hamburger buns. Alright, so we'll spread a thin layer of butter on both sides and place them in a skillet over medium heat. When they're golden brown, we'll flip the buns and grill the other side. Now, let's assemble our guédilles. We'll place some lettuce of our choice. I like using the spring mix lettuce. And then generously spoon over our egg mixture. As I mentioned earlier, for the finishing touch, we'll sprinkle on some smoked paprika and serve immediately. And my friends, these are our egg hot dog rolls. These tasty little guys are so easy to make. Plus, they're a perfect snack for kids of all ages. It's another delicious Québécois recipe to add to your folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!